Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best sprinkler manifold is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any efficient and effective irrigation system, ensuring that your watering is distributed precisely where and when it's needed, preventing over or underwatering and ultimately contributing to healthier plants and a more vibrant landscape, making it a crucial investment for any homeowner or gardener looking to optimize their lawn care routine. Number 5. Orbit 572533 Valve Heavy-Duty Preassembled Manifold. Tired of complicated irrigation setups? This preassembled manifold is designed for quick installation, making multi-zone valve systems a breeze to set up. Built with premium, heavy-duty valves, this irrigation plumbing is engineered for reliability. Its internal bleed and 24 VAC solenoids ensure it stands the test of time. Simplify your lawn irrigation assembly. With convenient PVC outlets and swivel unions, you can achieve a secure, watertight seal, perfect for your DIY sprinkler manifold. No need to replace your current system. It works seamlessly with major irrigation controllers, including Orbit and Hydro Rain. Pair it with a smart controller for even more functionality. Save time and water with intuitive solutions designed for dependable performance. Enjoy greener outdoor spaces with this smart irrigation product. We stand behind the quality of this product. It's warranted against material or workmanship defects for private use, ensuring your peace of mind. What we like. This one comes pre-assembled, saving you significant setup time. Its durable valves are built to last, and the design makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable installation for your home sprinkler system, this is a great choice. What people say. The manifold is easy to assemble and connect to the water supply. The valves are smooth and easy to operate, allowing for precise control of water flow to each zone. The construction is durable and seems like it will last for many years. Number 4. Dura 6-Valve Irrigation Manifold Setup. Introducing the Dura 6-Valve Manifold Setup. It simplifies the installation and repair of your irrigation valves, saving you time and hassle. Forget about cutting and regluing pipes. This system eliminates the need for extensive pipe work when rebuilding manifolds or replacing valves. All fittings come with O-rings, ensuring a secure and leak-proof seal. You won't need any Teflon tape or pipe dope for a reliable connection. This is a complete 6-valve manifold setup designed for convenience. It's ready to integrate seamlessly into your existing irrigation system. It features a 1-inch standard inline configuration. This ensures compatibility and straightforward installation with most irrigation setups. Experience precise control with its unique, easy-to-turn patented pressure-assisted flow mechanism. Adjusting your system has never been simpler. What we like. This manifold makes valve maintenance a breeze, eliminating the need to cut pipes for repairs. The O-ring fittings mean no messy Teflon tape. If you prioritize ease of maintenance and want a system with built-in flow control for precise watering, this is the one for you. What people say. The manifold is easy to assemble and connect to the water source. It has 6 separate valves, allowing for independent control of different watering zones. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance even in outdoor conditions. Number 3. Hunter PGV 101mm 6-Zone Dura Manifold Valve Kit. Introducing the Hunter PGV 101mm, a robust 6-zone manifold designed for reliable performance. This kit offers exceptional durability and ease of installation. Featuring a 6-port design, it provides precise control over each zone. The included threaded nipples ensure a secure connection to your slip adapters. It comes with waterproof, silicone-filled wire nuts for secure electrical connections. The number of nuts provided matches the number of zones plus 1. Need more zones? Multiple kits can be combined seamlessly. This offers flexibility to expand your irrigation system as needed. Built with Dura manifold technology, this valve kit is engineered for longevity. Trusted to manage your irrigation needs efficiently for years to come. What we like. It features reliable Hunter PGV valves and comes with waterproof wire connectors for a secure setup. The ability to combine multiple kits allows for future expansion. If you're already invested in the Hunter ecosystem or need a flexible system that can grow with your needs, consider this option. What people say. The manifold is easy to assemble and connect to the water supply. Each valve can be independently controlled, allowing for customized watering schedules. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance even in harsh weather conditions. Number 2. SPW Rainbird Premium Valve Manifold System, 6-Zone. Introducing the Premium 6-Zone Valve Manifold System. It's designed for durability and ease of use, making irrigation management simple. This system comes complete with high-quality Rainbird slip valves featuring flow control. It also includes Drycon waterproof connectors for reliable connections. The fittings are designed to accept both 3/4 PVC pipe and 1 PVC couplings for one pipe, offering flexibility for your installation needs. Constructed from thick Schedule 80 PVC, this manifold is built to last. Its O-ring seals ensure toolless installation and a strong, reliable performance. Never struggle with valve replacement again. This design allows for easy expansion and maintenance without cutting your system apart. It features the industry-leading Rainbird DV/DVF valve, chosen by professionals for its proven reliability and long-lasting performance in any landscape. What we like. Constructed from thick Schedule 80 PVC and made in the USA, this manifold is built for extreme durability. Its O-ring sealed, unionized design allows for toolless installation and easy expansion. If you need a robust, long-lasting system for demanding conditions and value American-made quality, this is the premium choice. What people say. The manifold is easy to assemble and connect to the water supply. The individual valves are clearly labeled and operate smoothly. It has a compact design that fits well in tight spaces. Number 1. SPW Hunter PGV101GS Valve Manifold System. Introducing the SPW Hunter Premium Valve Manifold System. This heavy-duty system is designed for durability and ease of use. It features flow control for precise adjustments. You'll also receive Drycon waterproof connectors and a handy flashlight keychain with your purchase. This manifold is compatible with both 3/4 foot and 1 PVC pipe. Its inlet and outlet fittings offer flexible installation options. Constructed from thick Schedule 80 PVC, it's built for rugged, heavy-duty performance. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA. Enjoy toolless installation thanks to its O-ring sealed design. You'll never have to cut your system apart to change a valve again. It includes high-grade Hunter PGV valves, known for their corrosive and UV resistance. The leak-proof diaphragm ensures reliable operation. What we like. This option combines the durability of heavy-duty Schedule 80 PVC construction with high-grade Hunter PGV valves known for their corrosion resistance. It's designed for toolless installation and easy expansion. If you're looking for a rugged, reliable, and long-lasting manifold system that can withstand harsh environments and offers excellent valve performance, this is an excellent fit. What people say. The manifold is well built and sturdy. Easy to assemble and connect to the water supply. The 6 valves provide ample control for different watering zones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.